Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool Honda here. Here we have our CR-V Estate Black Edition. This car is a 2 litre petrol and does come with these amazing 19-inch alloys, all of which have just recently been refurbed. We've got body coloured door mirrors, bumpers, handles. We've also got the side step just there, along with the boot spoiler. Quickly showing you that there. You can see on the top of the boot we do have the spoiler. That is obviously an optional extra. Moving into the boot now, just quickly showing you the reversing camera there. Of course, we do have your parcel shelf, which you can retract back into its positioning so you have more space in the boot. We have this lever here, which does in fact fold the seats down. And of course, the same on the other side, the lever will fold them seats down for you. We've got a spare tyre there. This is a 17-inch space saver. And of course, we do have your 12-volt power outlet there, just in case you wanted to put a cooler box in. Of course, we do have rear parking sensors as well. Showing you the rear alloy just here. Just going into each and every one so you can get an idea of condition for a lot of them. Of course, you can see that we do have the black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points, and of course these rear seats do have 2 positionings, upright or leant back. We've got automatic and electric rear windows, and quickly while we're close to the car you can see that we do have the side steps just there. We've also got all controls for all 4 windows, all of which are automatic on your driver's door there. Central locking, window lock, electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, and of course your power fold is just there. We've got traction control, parking sensors and headlight aim button there. Moving inside the vehicle, you can see we have your stop start button just there and your 12-volt power outlet just there. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox with dual climate control, and of course your touchscreen display just here. As you can see, it does have satellite navigation and your various sources just there. On the multifunction steering wheel, you can control the stereo via these buttons here, and of course these control your speed limiter and cruise control, and these control your onboard computer. As you can see, this car is on 69,276 miles. And these buttons, these control your Bluetooth hands-free. Showing you the last alloy now. As you can see, this car has got front parking sensors as well. And if you require any further questions or queries on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will send you a personalised video on this vehicle. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.